Hey everyone and welcome to the club. Today I'm going to be showing you how to draw the drift mask from Fortnite. Let's get started at the bottom of our page with the upper edge of the nose. So in the center, I'm going to start with a point. From this point I want to curve up and out towards the side of the nose. Go back to the center and we'll do the same thing on the right. Now we're going to take these ends, curve down and in towards the center point. Now we're going to add the nostril. From the left side, I'm going to come down at an angle towards the center of the nose. We'll go up towards the right. From the top corners of the nose, we're going to draw the upper edge of the eye. Starting on the left, I'm going to go up and curve over. Curve out to right about there. Now I'm just going to curve this up towards the edge of the head. Let's do the same thing on the right. Going up. Curve this over towards the right. Now we're going to turn it up towards the side of the head. Now let's draw on the lower edge of the eye. From the left side, we're going to step in, we curve down, and we're going to pull that in toward the side edge of the nose. We'll do the same thing on the right. So we're going to line this up, curving out, and we'll just pull that up. Now I want to go in and thicken up the inside edge of the eye. So we're just going to trace this out on the inside, starting with the bottom, and go along the top. And go in and fill that area in black. Let's go and do the same thing on the right side. Now at the bottom of the eye, I'm going to draw a curve coming down and in. Just blending to a curve, going down towards the bottom. We'll do the same thing on the right side. Now from the top corner of the eye, I'm going to curve down and then in towards the eye. Curve down and in. Now I'm just going to pull that up. Let's go back to the outside. We're going to curve down towards the cheeks. Starting on the left, we're going to curve this out and then straighten down. From here, we're going to curve the edge of the cheek. Starting on the left, curve in. I'm just going to pull that down to right about there. Do the same thing on the right. Curving in and then down. Let's add a little detail on the side of the cheek. Starting from this corner, we're going to go up. Then we'll curve that down. Now I'm going to taper this back up towards the side of the head. Going up and then across. Do the same thing on the right. Curving up and then down. Now we're going to work our way down towards the jaw. Starting from this point, we're going to angle down and in. Down to right about there. Do the same thing on the right side to the same height. From the jaw, we're going to do a hard angle coming down and in towards the chin. Starting on the left, in and down to right about there. We're going to leave a large gap in the center. Line this up on the right. We're going to go up and then out. Let's square off the chin. We're going to connect these 2 points with a straight line. Now we're going to move down and draw in the mouth. Starting on the left, we're going to start with a straight line, going across. Now we're going to come down with a slight angle, down towards the corner of the mouth. From the left side, we're going to curve up and then out. Go up to right about there. We're going to do the same thing on the right. Now from here, we're going to curve down and in, right down towards the jaw. Now let's go in and thicken up the edge of the mouth. We're going to start on the outside corner, step up. We're just going to trace this along the outside. And then we'll go in and fill all that in black. Now we're going to go in and thicken up these curves. We're going to start about halfway along this curve. we're going to taper it out towards the side. Now I'm going to follow this curve coming down towards the jaw. Let's do the same thing on the right. Curving out and then down. We're going to fill that in black. Now let's move up and draw on the top of the head. We're going to connect these 2 points with a large half circle. Starting on the left, curve up towards the top of the head, and then we'll work our way back down towards the right. Now we're going to add that decorative detail in the center of the head. Starting just above the nose, we're going to start with a point. From this point I'm going to angle up and out towards the left with a straight line. Go back to the center and we'll go up and out towards the right, towards the same height. Now from here we're going to angle up and in with a short line. Now let's go back out. Going up in an angle. Again, we're going to work our way back in. Go back out again. Now right here, we're going to take these 2 points and come up towards the top of the head, towards a point, right in the middle. Now we're going to add 2 diamond shapes in this area. Starting at the top, we'll start with a point, come down the sides, then we'll come down towards the bottom. Let's add another one below it. Start with a point, come down the sides, and then we'll come down towards the center. Now just above each eye, we're going to add an angled diamond. Starting in here, start with an angled line going up above the eye, go back to the inside, we're going to go up in an angle. Let's take that and flip it over on the right. So we're going to line this up, start with a point, go up in an angle, go back to the bottom, go across just above the eye. Now we're going to connect these 2 points towards the center, going up and then back down. Now we're going to add 2 curves along the side of the head. Starting just above the eye, we're going to follow the curve of the head, going up to right about there. Do the same thing on the right side, curving up to the same height. Now at the top, we're going to angle down and in. And then along the bottom, we're going to curve in and across. Now let's connect these 2 points with another curve. Now we're going to move to the very top and draw on the ears. On the left side, I'm going to start by curving out and then up. Now we're going to curve in the opposite direction, towards the tip of the ear. Just blend into a curve going out. Do the same thing on the right. So we're going to line this up, start by curving out and then up. Blend into a curve going out towards the tip of the ear. Now we're going to work our way down towards the side of the head. From this point, we're going to come down and out. I'm going to round this out and pull this in just above the edge of the eye. Let's do the same thing on the right. Start by coming down and out. I'm going to round this out and curve in towards the side of the head. Now I'm just going to trace this out along the inside. Starting at the very top, trace out the inside, coming back in towards the head. Now we're going to follow this curve, coming around and then back in. We'll do the same thing on the right. Now last thing we're going to do is add 2 curves in the ear. So in between these 2 points, curve out and then up. Do the same thing on the right. And that's pretty much it. There we have it. There's the drift mask from Fortnite. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. Make sure you subscribe and send me your requests in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you again soon.